Hi, I'm Missy Yost with the Yost Group, and welcome to Yost on the Coast. Today I'm going to go over the tax differences between Beaufort and Jasper counties, so stay tuned. Hi, I'm Missy Yost with the Yost Group. If you're not familiar with my videos, I do these every Monday to keep you in the know of what is going on in the Low Country of South Carolina and Coastal Empire of Georgia. So make sure you like, share, subscribe, hit the little bell so that other people can find our videos and you are notified every single time we do a new video. So today we are going to go over the hot topic of tax base in Beaufort and Jasper counties. And you may say, why do I care about taxes in Beaufort and Jasper counties? Well, you probably care because if you're interested in Latitude Margaritaville Hilton Head or Sun City Hilton Head, this does affect you. Latitude Margaritaville and half of Sun City are in Hardeeville. That is in Jasper County. There is half of Sun City, all of Bluffton, and all of Hilton Head Island that is in Beaufort County. So Beaufort County became more established and became more popular before Jasper County did. So the taxes are a little bit less there because they do have more businesses and things to offset the costs of operating the county, where Hardeeville was a little bit more rural and it did cost a little bit more to live in Jasper counties. But Jasper County has a lower property insurance rate. So when you take the offset of the property insurance rates with the slightly higher taxes, a lot of times it evens out and becomes a wash. But I'm going to go over what the tax bases are so that you understand them better and you can even figure them out yourself. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go to the county tax calculator that you are most interested in as far as property in that county. And I'm going to start off with the Beaufort County tax calculator, and I just put the web or the URL below. So you're going to click that. You are going to check the 4% box if it is going to be your owner occupied property, and this, or the 6% box if it's going to be either a second home or it is going to be an investment property. Your tax base will be more for a second home. So then you're going to go and you're going to put in your property value, like how much the property you paid for the property. And so let's just pick a round number like $400,000. When you put that in, then it's going to ask you for the tax district. You're going to need to choose the tax district that the property that you're most interested sits in. If you don't know, a lot of times if it's in Beaufort County and it's in Bluffton, I'll just pick Bluffton OS for the tax district. It's going to be pretty close anyway, but it'll give you a general idea. Then when you hit the button that calculates, it's going to come out and give you an estimated tax. That's going to be the estimated amount. Now, if you are in Jasper County, which is going to be Latitude Margaritaville, Sun City North, Argent East, any of those popular communities, then you are going to go to the Jasper County tax calculator, and you're basically going to do the same thing. So in this case, you're going to choose that you are inside the corporation limit of Hardeeville. So it gives you the proper tax base. Now, what you're going to notice is it goes way up if it is not an owner-occupied property. Now, it'll do that in both Beaufort and Jasper counties, and the reason is because they give you a school credit if you are a resident, and they take that credit away if you are a non-resident. So in essence, the people who don't live here full-time or have investment properties are paying more for the school systems than the people who live here. Is that fair? Is it right? It never made any sense to me, but that's the way that they do it here. So, that's just the way that it is. Now, property insurance. you're going to find that in Beaufort County, you do pay more for property insurance because Beaufort County is considered coastal. Jasper County is not considered coastal. So when we moved from Bluffton to Hardyville, our insurance went from $1,500 annually to $750 annually. So that was a complete offset on our taxes. We wound up paying about $200 more annually for both taxes and insurance together in Jasper County than we did in Beaufort County. So really, in the end, it was pretty much a wash. And when you're talking about taxes in Jasper County, usually equaling out about 1% of whatever the purchase price was for an owner-occupied property, and then you compare that with what people are paying in a lot of the areas in the U.S., 1%, you know, if you're paying $4,000 a year for a $400,000 property, that's like nothing compared to people that are paying taxes in New York and New Jersey and, you know, a lot of the states that have high tax rates. Some other things you want to know about taxes. I do have a lot of people ask me, can I claim it as my owner-occupied property and my wife claim where I came from, or my husband or my spouse or whoever from where I came from, claim that as the owner-occupied property? No, you cannot. South Carolina is going to see everybody that's on the deed. If you are married, they are going to include that spouse as either somebody who owner-occupies or doesn't. If they don't owner-occupy and you both can't state that this is your primary residence, they will take it away from you and count it as a secondary or a vacation home, and you will be charged at that 6% tax rate. If you are 65 or over, you will qualify for a homestead exemption, providing it is your owner-occupied property. So that will give you a little bit more break. They'll take $50,000 off of basically the value that they assess it for, and then they'll tax you off that rate. So in Jasper County, that saves you about $500 a year, and in Beaufort County, it probably would be a little bit less because of the tax base being a little bit less to begin with. Another thing you might want to know, if you are a 100% disabled veteran, property taxes are completely waived. So I think you have to live here a year before you actually get that status or that benefit, but it is there and available for 100% disabled veterans. If you have any questions on anything that I went over today, please drop them below, text us, email us, call us, however you want to get in touch with us. Give us ideas for videos you want to see in the future. This is your channel. We want to make sure we're giving you what you need. Like, subscribe, share, so that other people can find our videos. And you know, anything you need from us, just reach out. So I am Miss Yost with the Yost Group, and until next time, bye-bye.